Namaste viewers, welcome to Degula channel. Today we will see one of the important Vachana of Bhakti Bandari Basavanna. We will see its meaning, we will recite and then see its meaning. The Vachana goes like this: Chakorange Chandramana Belakina Chinte. It is in Kannada. Chakorange Chandramana Belakina Chinte. Ambujake Bhanuvina Udayada Chinte. Ambujake Bhanuvina Udayada Chinte. Brahmarange Parimalada Bandumba Chinte. Brahmarange Parimalada Bandumba Chinte. Yanage Yanna Koodal sangama Devana Nenevude Chinte. We'll go through some meaning of this Vachana. This Vachana is attributed to 12th century poet saint Bhakti Bandari Basavanna. He uses the imagery of nature. He imagines nature and the activities of various creatures to convey a deeper spiritual message. Very simply, he conveys his message like this. The partridge bird worries about moonlight. It's a kind of a bird, chakora it is called as. It is always fascinated by the moonlight and it plays in the moonlight. A bird is concerned with the moonlight. This represents how each creature in the nature has its own concerns and preoccupations. They have no devotion to Lord or devotion to the Supreme. They have got all. They are bound by their physical, requirements. Partridge bird worries about the moonlight. The lotus flower, it is worried about the sunrise because lotus, it blooms only in the light, sunshine. When the sun rises, lotus slowly starts blooming. So he says the lotus flower worries about the sunrise. Symbolizes how different elements of nature are aligned with their own natural rhythms. The bee only worries about drinking fragrant nectar. Early morning, the bees from the beehive, they just fly towards the flowers and they pick up the fragrance of the flowers and then deposit it in their beehives. Bees' sole focus is on collecting nectar from flowers. It highlights the single-minded dedication and purpose of this creature. Only one man. But at last, Bhakti Bandari Basavanna says, my only worry is to be reminiscing about you. I want to think every time, every moment about you. Oh, my Lord, koodal sangama. He is a Shaivite, the devotee of Shiva, and then it is his personal God. It says, in contrast to the creatures which worry about their immediate surroundings, Bhakti Bandari Basavanna expresses a single and constant worry, remembering and connecting with the divine, referring to here as my Lord of Koodal Sangama. Now, some of these important lessons in our daily lives is mindfulness and presence. It reminds us of the importance of being present and fully engaged in our thoughts and actions, just as the Partridge lotus and bee are engrossed in their respective activities. In today's fast-paced world, mindfulness can help us appreciate the beauty of each moment and simplicity and focus. Bees' singular focus on collecting nectar can serve as a reminder of the value of simplicity and concentration in our goals and endeavors. In an age of distractions, this lesson is particularly relevant. Spiritual connection. Basavanna's yearning for the spiritual connection with the divine suggests the timeless human quest for meaning and purpose. In modern life, where we often face various stressors and distractions, this Vachana encourages us to prioritize our spiritual and inner well being. Respect for nature. Vachana uses natural imagery. One second. Vachana uses natural imagery to convey its message, emphasizing our interconnectedness with the natural world. It's a reminder of the importance of environmental consciousness and the need to preserve and respect the beauty and balance of nature. In essence, Basavanna's Vachana encourages us to find meaning and purpose in simplicity, mindfulness, and deep spiritual connection. It reminds us that amidst life's complexities, we can find peace and fulfillment by focusing on what truly matters and by staying connected to our inner selves and the world around us. Such a profound meaning in a very simple language which can be understood by anybody. Such is the greatness of Bhakti Bandari Basavanna. Viewers, with this we will conclude the this particular video on this Vachana Chakorange Chandramana Belakina Chinte, Ambucheke ಭಾನುವಿನ ಉದಯದ ಚಿಂತೆ, ಭ್ರಮರಂಗೆ ಪರಿಮಳದ ಬಂಡುಂಬ ಚಿಂತೆ, ಎನಗೆ ಅನ್ನ ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ ದೇವನ ನೆನೆಯುವುದೇ ಚಿಂತೆ. Thank you for being this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Please put your comments on the comment box. Thank you.